Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Insights by Alex. I'm Alex. Today we've got something huge to talk about. The weather vane of the global semiconductor industry, TSMC, just dropped their Q3 2025 earnings report. Trust me, this report not only beat expectations, but also revealed the mind-blowing trend shaping the entire tech industry under the AI wave. Ready? Let's dive into the data and unlock the secrets behind TSMC's earnings. First up, let's look at TSMC's Q3 report card. It's absolutely A+. Revenue, a staggering $33.1 billion. That's a 10.1% sequential increase. Net income increased by an amazing 39% year over year. Another historical high. Gross margin, an incredible 59.5%. Maintaining this top-tier margin shows TSMC's technological lead and cost control capabilities are simply pro-level. So what's the big meaning behind these numbers? The answer lies in advanced processes. An impressive 74% of TSMC's Q3 revenue came from 7nm and more advanced nodes. Critically, their high-performance computing segment now accounts for 57% of total revenue. That's basically TSMC saying, AI, here I come. But what really caught my eye was the statement from TSMC's management. Their CEO, Dr. C.C. Wei, expressed a nuclear-level confidence in the structural demand driven by AI. He explicitly stated, AI demand is stronger than what we anticipated 3 months ago. How huge is that? It means even their top-tier analysis underestimated AI's explosive growth. To validate this demand isn't a bubble. They are even talking to their customers' customers to ensure they capture the genuine long-term trend. More importantly, they pointed out that CoWoS advanced packaging capacity is extremely tight. To meet this incredible demand, TSMC is working very hard to accelerate capacity expansion. What does this mean? It means they are raising their capital expenditure to a range of $40 billion to $42 billion. That's essentially saying money is no object, AI is the future. TSMC even revealed they are looking for a second piece of land in Arizona, aiming to build a mega fab cluster. It looks like TSMC's ambition to shape the global semiconductor landscape is far greater than we could have imagined. All right, now for the main event. What clues did this TSMC report give us about other tech giants and supply chain companies? NVIDIA and AMD. Hey, when TSMC says AI demand is exceeding expectations and CoWoS capacity is extremely tight, who do you think they're talking about? Exactly. The two AI GPU giants. Orders for NVIDIA's H200 and AMD's MI300 series must be through the roof. Their upcoming earnings reports are definitely going to show off some serious muscle. Apple. TSMC's 3nm process contribution is soaring, plus they mentioned a mild recovery in the smartphone market. This is great news for Apple, indicating solid inventory buildup and good sales momentum for their new devices. Qualcomm and other chip designers. Also benefiting from the smartphone rebound, TSMC's statement suggests inventory pressure for these mobile chip behemoths is easing, and shipment volumes are expected to pick up. And then there are the unsung heroes, TSMC's supply chain. Advanced packaging equipment and service providers, CoWoS capacity is tight and TSMC is in full expansion mode. This is fantastic news for companies that provide CoWoS-related inspection, wet process, and back-end assembly services. With demand continuing to surge, these specialized vendors will have extremely high order visibility. Semiconductor equipment manufacturers, TSMC's capital expenditure is projected to hit up to $42 billion, with 70% going toward advanced processes. This is a powerful signal for global equipment giants like ASML, the EUV leader, and Applied Materials, KLA. Their orders are set to remain robust for the coming quarters. Chemicals and facility engineering service providers. Don't forget, TSMC is building mega fab clusters in places like Arizona and Germany. These massive construction projects will continue to drive demand for facility infrastructure, high-purity chemical materials, and related service providers. In summary, TSMC's Q3 earnings not only proved their own immense strength, but also set the direction for the entire tech industry. The golden age of AI is here, and it's even bigger than we thought. This means that in the coming quarters, we are going to see more earnings reports from related semiconductor companies that confirm this trend. So if you're interested in tech investing, make sure you keep a close eye on these companies' movements. All right, that's it for today's Tech Insights. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss any of my deep dives into the biggest tech stories. See you next time and keep investing smart.